am Barry Poe and Director of Product Management at NGRAIN. Today I'm just going to take a few minutes to tell you a little bit about what we're doing in the world of damage assessment and visual inspection. So for those of you who may not be familiar with NGRAIN, we are a 3D augmented reality and virtual reality company. Our focus is exclusively on the enterprise and industrial applications. And we have customers in 27 countries around the world. So we have customers in all these countries who are using NGRAIN software and technology today to transform the way that their organizations do business. And regardless of where you are in your journey to adopt augmented reality, we have software, we have products and technology for you. So we've got a software development kit. We've got content creation tools, which some of you may have seen if you were at our tutorial yesterday. And we also have a suite of industrial applications. And I'm going to really focus on one in particular. We have an industrial application called NGRAIN Consort, which is enterprise software that is integrated into the back-end data systems of your organization to be able to support your technicians and workers in the field who are charged with doing maintenance related to damage assessment and visual inspection of complex equipment. So maybe just to set the stage a little bit around why we would care about having augmented reality, 3D, and virtual reality in the damage assessment space. A lot of it comes down to the fact that these technicians and service workers who are charged with this task often are equipped with nothing more than a pen, paper, and maybe a clipboard. And their job is intense and laborious. So they've got to go walk around these gigantic pieces of equipment where they've got to go and identify where there are areas of damage. That then goes into a back office process where they need to go and plan for those repairs. And oftentimes, that's a process that can take days. We have a working implementation of our industrial application with Lockheed Martin, and they're probably the single best example of this technology in action. Because at Lockheed, NGRAIN technology is deployed for battle damage assessment and repair as part of the F-35 program. And so rather than a clipboard, a pen, and paper, Lockheed technicians are actually equipped with a digital tablet that holds a digital 3D model of the F-35. And as the F-35 comes off the flight line and ends up in a maintenance hangar, these technicians are now able to use a combination of AR, interactive 3D, to be able to go and annotate areas of damage which are linked to a back-end data system so that they can plan for those repairs on the spot. So now instead of those that whole inspection process perhaps taking days, a small team of inspectors can actually get the job done in hours. So what that translates into from a Lockheed perspective is reduced cost from maintaining and sustaining the aircraft, which is great for their own customers. We're helping them streamline the capture and communication of that data. So there is no more back-end process or back-office process related to planning and engaging in the repair process. That is all an integrated part of the inspection as it happens in real time. And we're also helping to enhance pilot safety. So one of the things that we do through our software is because we are taking a lot of the tedious mechanics of working through damage assessment out of the process. What we're doing is we're helping the technician focus on the job at hand, which is to really make sure that the aircraft is in a good shape and ready to fly. So last thing I really want to leave you with, and I'm going to see how this is going to work. Oh, perfect. So what I'd like to leave you with is one of our most recent advancements in our damage assessment technology, which is enabling greater automation of the process. So what we have here is we have a technician who's working on a complex piece of equipment, and he's equipped with an iPad that's got an occipital structure sensor attached to it, and he's effectively taking a 3D point cloud of that physical object. What we can do with that 3D point cloud is align and register it to a reference model, which could be a CAD model, or it could be another 3D point cloud. And what we can do is effectively determine the differences between what the object should look like in principle versus what the object looks like in real life. So as a result of being able to do that, we're automating the process because now we've got technology that's enabling the inspectors to automatically see where there are areas of damage or where there are differences between the object as designed and the object as it exists in practice. And we're also assisting the technician or the inspector in the process by perhaps making it possible for them to see where there are areas of damage that might not be easy to detect through the human eye alone. So I just heard my little beep go off there. But maybe I could probably talk about Consort for hours. So rather than talk about it here, what I'd like to do is invite you to come and talk to me after the talk, or come and see us. We're in the main exhibit hall this afternoon. And we'd be more than happy to talk about how we could make NGRAIN Consort available to you, or how our technology works in practice. So thank you very much.
All right, thank you.